Hello everyone, my name is Walid and today we're hunting in City Centre Sharjah. Our stop is gonna be Baby Shop. Now, before I enter, I want you guys like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Anyways, we're in. Here we go. They did not stock, so yeah. We got a Sand Burner Rally Champs 2022. What is it doing here? So basically, City Centre Sharjah did not stock Nordira. Yeah. Got a Toon Silverado. It's the blue one. Toon from Toon 2022. What is this doing here? I keep saying this every single time I go there. Bro, Toon. I wish. Let's see if anything bought the other three. Here we have a Matin Debbie Hay 1980 Porsche Thunderbird. There's details on a bit detail on the front, not on the back. I think it's one of the cars that should be bought a lot. Yeah, here's a Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. I think Hot Wheels haulers. It's actually pretty cool. No details anywhere though. I love the livery though. What else? Wow, there's a lot of Diora 3s. What else? Here we have here's a weird stolen car. Is this a treasure hunt? I don't know. I remember it's a treasure hunt. Like and the Pagani's on the art car. Come on, people. Man, why? Here we have a Ford Maverick. What an awesome car. There's no details on the front or on the back. But, man, I love it. We have a Chevy Bel Air Gasser. This is one of these cars that the reputation, like, it's one of the cars that will be hard to find. The Godzilla Skyline. And, you know, CLs. There's a Cadillac Seville. What is that doing here? There's no details on the front and the back. It looks cool. It was a car that when Gucci and Hot Wheels collaborated. This is a very interesting car, to be honest. We have a 1980 El Camino. There's no details on the front nor the back, but honestly, it's a clean car. Got his head gasket, head car, I don't know. Here's a 3-pack, Ford Civic Type. I actually don't have that one. Ford Galaxy and Random Fantasy City. Here, let's see, Max Steel. Here's a green one Corvette. Okay, this is a cool car. That's a cool car, not too bad. Apparently, the art cars do spell something. I don't know what it is, but they spell something. Oops. If you get like old 10 versions, you're able to see what the word is. Got a Copo Camaro. It's not a super. Here's the details on the front. There's no details on the front nor the back. I think why that's really popular with Mumbai. Even though I show you like is it a super or not, but I'm not sure how it looks like. Here's a Ford Focus, 2008 Ford Focus. It says no details on the front nor back, but man, it looks cool. Oh yeah, it's the same one. Dodge Van. There's details on the front, okay, but not on the back. There's something in here. Just let the camera zoom focus first. You can barely see. I think you can. Look, there's a go-kart in the back. That's actually cool. I saw a custom designer bring a go-kart. Here's a Volvo P1800 Gasser. Such a cool car from the Legends Tour. I think it might be a Legends Tour 2021 winner, right? I don't know. Here we've got a Jeep Commando. I'm guessing no details on the front or the back. I like the bike. I think most, like the Gladiator, they have a bike on their back. There's a 70s van. That's from AK. It's also Hot Wheels car art. Like I said, they spell something. I'm just not sure what it is. Yeah, pretty cool. I like the van. 70s van. That's like 1970s. Whoops. Got the car. Yeah, let's pick that up. Just don't let the employees have a hard time picking it up. So we got a Honda Super Cub. Motorbike Honda. It looks so cool. I really want a motorbike car. No motorbike. Oh, we find what I crashed this stand though. What is that? Huh? Hey, oh, it's healing. I don't know. Isn't an error right here? I'm not sure. I don't think it is. It's a Dodge Charger Drift. Police car. I don't know why it's in green. It's a pursuit car. Honestly, such a nice car. Yeah. Let's see. There. So here's the pullback. It's a mess in here. What is this? Is it a... Oh wait, no, it's a 507 just broken. Yeah, let me just go in. So we have found the Subaru B. Is Subaru SCI. You can find it on top of the shelf. Just put that back. So yeah, that's all for today. Before I leave, I want you guys like and subscribe, share this channel with your friends. See you next time, everyone. Bye bye.